Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am presenting a seminar on delusions. I am Dr. Neeraj Yadav from Department of Psychiatry, Junior Resident 3. Basically, delusion is a false, unshakable idea or a belief which is out of keeping with the patient's educational, cultural, and social background. It means कि delusion false झूठ होगा जो कि जिसको जो मरीज का या फिर जो आदमी दिखाने आएगा विचार होगा उसको हिलाना बहुत मुश्किल होगा. ठीक है, वो उस पर अड़िग रहेगा अपने उस विचार पे. ठीक है, बट जो विचार होगा वो उसके मतलब जितनी उसकी पढ़ाई लिखाई है, जिस जगह से वो है, ठीक है, और जो उसका कल्चर है, जो सोशल बैकग्राउंड है, उस सबको वो नकार उसमें कोई इंक्लूड नहीं करेगा, उस सबको नकार देगा कि उसके बाहर होगा वो चीज, वो माना नहीं जाएगा. फिर हमें चीज पता है कि डिल्यूजन्स होते हैं, एक चीज ओवर वैल्यूड आइडियाज होती है, तो वी नीड टू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ थिंग्स. ठीक है, डिल्यूजन नीड टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद अफेक्ट, ठीक, बट इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज ट्रू. समटाइम्स डिल्यूजन इज नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद अफेक्ट. ठीक है, बट ओवर वैल्यूड आर आइडियाज आर एसोसिएटेड वेरी स्ट्रांगली विद अफेक्ट. Delusions are firmly sustained belief, whereas overvalued ideas are not firmly sustained beliefs. Persons with delusion is absolutely convinced that the delusion is real. How much you ask, how much you question or try to convince the person, but he won't be changing his statement. But in overvalued ideas, if you would question again and again to the patient, he would be hesitating, or he would be thought ki it might or might not be true. ठीक है, it is recognized as absurd. It is not overvalued ideas is not recognized as absurd. ठीक है, delusions cannot be accepted socially or culturally or by other people, but overvalued ideas are generally acceptable by everyone in the society in which or community he is living in. Delusions occurs in a mental illness person, but overvalued ideas can be present in both. That is, in either a person suffering from a psychiatric or mentally illness, or a healthy person also. Classification of delusions. Delusions can be classified depending upon origin, theme, congruency with mood, reality value, and complexity. Depending upon the origin, delusions can be primary or secondary. Depending upon the theme, it could be persecutory, grandiose, jealousy, erotomania, somatic delusions, etc. Depending on congruency with mood, mood congruent and or not mood congruent. Depending upon reality value, partial delusion or complete delusion. And depending upon complexity, delusion can be simple or complex delusion. Primary delusions are true delusions which appears with full conviction without any mental illness before present. Primary delusion experience known as ephony, delusion, mood or atmosphere. He knows that something is wrong going around him that concerns him, but he does not know what it is. Delusional intuition appears fully formed inside his mind, usually seen in organic states, epileptic psychosis, personality disorder, even in normal individuals. Delusional perception, attribution of new meaning, usually in the sense of self-reference to a normal perceived object. It is different from delusion of misinterpretation. Delusional memory are distorted or false memories coming spontaneously into the mind. The core feature of primary delusion is it is not ununderstandable. That is, how much knowledge you put or how much you question the patient, counter questioning the patient. It is the society or the person asking the delusion is ununderstandable. That is the reason for the delusion is formed. Whereas secondary delusions or delusional like ideas are usually appear preceding a morbid experience, like primary hallucination, affective state, or existing delusions due to which secondary delusions are formed. Now the delusions have been classified depending upon the pathology, that delusion of persecution, delusion of jealousy, delusion of love, delusion of grandiosity, delusion of ill health, delusion of guilt, delusion of poverty, delusion of persecution. It is that a person thinks that he is being conspired or plotted against, cheated, spied or followed or harassed by someone. Delusion of persecution may occur in contrast to primary delusion experience, auditory hallucination, bodily hallucinations or experience in passivity. For example, a person sees a car is standing, police car is standing outside his home. So he starts believing that they are conspiring against him or they are here to harm him, without having any idea why would they do, or if he has done something wrong or not. Still he would be convinced, fully convinced, and we won't be able to break his thought also. They won't be able to do that, or why would they be doing, but he would be convinced that they are. It could be that someone is nearby living someone and he comes his home, so there could be an illness ki he came to do something, he would be doing something on me, जैसे कुछ करवा दिया, काला जादू करवा दिया, कुछ करवा रखा है मेरे पे, ये मुझे मारना चाहते हैं. तो could be. Generally delusions are formed on nearby people, unknown person, someone living nearby, but could be other persons also, but mostly it is seen. Forms of delusion of persecution. Initially delusion of reference. The patient knows that they are talking about him, slandering him, or spying on him. The ideas are not confirmed to schizophrenia, can occur in depression and other psychotic illness also. Delusion of guilt, seen in patients with severe depression who feel that they extremely weak, thus it is justified to spy on them. Delusion of being poisoned or infected. Usually delusion of being poisoned or infected is usually seen with a family member, especially spouse or usually first degree relatives are seen in patients with morbid jealousy, believe that their spouse is poisoning them. Delusion of influence are logical results of experience of passivity in context of schizophrenia. Delusion of passivity can be confused with delusion of control. In delusion of control, patient believes that his body or his thoughts are being controlled by someone else. The external force is controlling. But in delusion of influence, the experiences of what he sees, he is saying, is believing that they are being done to influence him. Delusion of infidelity. Common theme of having spouse or lover being unfaithful. Even if this is evidence to contrary, the person is certain that his partner is having an affair. Can occur in alcohol addiction, schizophrenia, or affective psychosis. In delusion of infidelity, the spouse believes that the husband is having affair with someone, but without any evidence, he would be behaving, his behavior would be like that. He would be checking his or her phone, he would be seeing at night where is he or she is there. So he would be constantly observing or following the patient, that what he's doing, he's going somewhere. So he would be asking others also, ki is she meeting that person or someone else. Delusion of jealousy, if occurs in alcohol abuse, is known as Otello syndrome. Delusion of love, also known as altomania, fantasy love syndrome, or De Cleverbert syndrome. Typically, a woman believes who is older and of higher social status that she is in love with her. It is seen in schizophrenia and abnormal personality development disorder. There would be usually a celebrity or someone who is patient would believe that she or he is in love. We have seen a patient in the ward who was believing that Tiger Shroff was in love with her. In the ward it was admitted, and they are totally convinced with it. He is in love. They have never met the celebrity. They have never seen such actions of meeting, or they have no contact with such a person, but still they are fully convinced with it. It is usually described in two phases, that is hope followed by resentment. Hope, when a person believes that the lover is unable to reveal his or her love for a number of reasons, that she would give explanations in hope why he is not confronting his feelings for her. In resentment, delusion turns into delusion of persecution, that the person starts complaining against the lover and abuses the same. It reaches the stage that the person, that the celebrity, the reason initially it starts with a hope, but initially as her delusion increases, so she believes that he want to harm her, and he is conspiring, or he is having, even infidelity could be accompanying with it, he is having a relation with another girl, and that's why he is not expressing his love or for feelings for me. Delusion of grandiosity, primary grandiosity and secondary, usually seen in organic brain syndrome, drug dependence, schizophrenia and mania. Primary grandiose delusion occurs in schizophrenia, where there is a marked incongruity between ecstatic affect and relative thought poverty. This belief may also extend to object where a person has delusions of invention. The person builds a machine and believes it has special functions. Like he has made a normal thing and he believes कि इससे टाइम समय में आगे जाया जा सकता है, पीछे भविष्य देख सकता हूं मैं, इससे मुझे सब पता चल जाएगा. Secondary grandiose delusions are seen in mania, in which grandiosity is associated with euphoria, overactivity, at times irritability and suspiciousness. Organic brain disorders, especially affecting the prefrontal cerebral lobes, which cause labile mood, disinhibited behavior, some degree of cognitive defects, and cerebral syphilis. Delusions need to be ruled out. First, the organic cause for any of the presenting psychiatric conditions, either delusion, mania, or schizophrenia, or anything, the organic condition to be ruled out first, because all of the functions which present as a delusion are controlled by the lobes of the brain, usually mainly the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, and temporal lobe. The frontal and parietal lobe are mainly concerned with all of the things, but temporal lobe, usually the movement disorders are concerned with it. Nihilistic delusions, also known as delusion of negation. Patient denies their existence of their body, their mind, their loved ones, and the world around them. Seen in severe agitated depression, schizophrenia, or states of delusion. जो लोग उसके आसपास हैं, जो लोग रहते हैं, वो कहेगा नहीं, ये है नहीं, मना कर देगा, दुनिया नहीं है, सब खत्म हो चुका है, ये सिर्फ एक बस कुछ सब वहम सा है, ये सब कुछ रहता नहीं है, मुझे सिर्फ दिख रहा है ये चीजें ना. दैट इज डिल्यूजन ऑफ निहिलिस्टिक. जो लोग उनसे मिल रहे आ रहे प्यार करते हैं, उनको कहेगा नहीं ये नहीं है, नकार देगा उनको चीजों को. Sometimes nihilistic delusions are associated with delusions of enormity, when patient believes that they can produce a catastrophe by the actions. If the patient would believe कि अगर if I would urinate, he would want urinate. If he would urinate, the hole would be flooded. Hypochondrial delusions, delusion of ill health or somatic delusions. Patient believes that they have some serious illness. Seen in depression, schizophrenia, etc. Patient may also feel his body is diseased or changed. Despite of investigations he has done repeatedly coming to be normal, the patient would be having, he is having some illness. And he would be giving a mild thing, that there would be a mild pain in the leg. Due to any reason, would be that it would cause cancer or something. Delusion of misidentification syndrome. Tab grasp, also known as hypofamiliarity syndrome. Person believes that a person usually closely related to him has been replaced by an exact double. उसके जान पहचान का कोई होगा जो उसको लगेगा कि किसी और से बदल दिया गया है, जो व्यक्ति अभी है वो नहीं है, ये कोई और है, बस दिखता उसके जैसा है. In Fregoli syndrome, known as hyperfamiliarity syndrome, delusion of misidentification of unfamiliar person as a familiar one, even though there is no physical resemblance. Fregoli में the person जो है, the person would look different, seems to be different totally. The patient knows he is different, but would believe that I know the person and he is that person. He would relate directly, but the person to whom he would relate, there is no resemblance between the two persons. जैसे कि किसी का कोई रिश्तेदार पड़ोस में आया, तो वो कह रहा है नहीं ये तो उसका अपने किसी रिश्तेदार का बच्चा है, इससे तो मैं मिला हूं, मैं इसको जानता हूं. उसको पता है वो उसके जैसा दिखता नहीं सब कुछ, लेकिन फिर भी वो अड़िग रहेगा अपने इस विचार पर कि मैं ये वही है, ये और कोई नहीं है. फिर the delusion of intermetamorphosis. It is the delusion belief that others undergo radical changes in physical, psychological identity, accumulating in a different person altogether. इसमें है कि एक ही आदमी बार बार अपनी छवि बदल रहा है. कभी वो ये आदमी था, फिर वो हो गया, फिर दूसरा आदमी आगे बन के आ गया, फिर तीसरा आदमी बन के आ गया. That is delusion of syndrome of intermetamorphosis or delusion of intermetamorphosis. So syndrome of subjective doubles, also known as doppelganger syndrome. In delusion, belief in the existence of physical duplicate of self. These duplicates are usually thought to have different psychological identities. उसको लगेगा मेरे जैसा ही कोई और है, जो है उसके विचार, थॉट, थिंकिंग जो है वो अलग होंगे, बट वो जो दिखेगा वो बिल्कुल वही होगा, उसको लगेगा कि नहीं वही है। Delusion of guilt and unworthiness. Such delusions are more common in severe depressive disorder. They often lead to suicide, rarely to homicide. When the killing of a close relative may be followed by patient suicide, the belief about guilt may be totally dominate the patient thinking. Delusion of control. Delusion of control can be of thought control or bodily control. Characteristic of schizophrenia patient, where patient experience his or her thought or a foreign or an to be a foreign or alien, not coming from himself or herself and not without the control. जो विचार आ रहे हैं उसके दिमाग में वो उसके खुद के नहीं है। मैंने सोचा मैं ये काम करूंगा, बट क्यों करूंगा, मुझे लगा कि मुझसे किसी ने करवाया, मुझे किसी ने बोला तो मैंने वो काम किया, मेरा खुद का नहीं मन था, या मेरा खुद का वो विचार आया नहीं तक मुझे कुछ करना है, ये काम कर कुछ भी करना है, और मुझसे कोई और करवा रहा है, ठीक है, लेकिन वो थॉट इतना होगा कि द पर्सन वुड डू द एक्ट। These delusions of control are often associated with delusion explanation of how thinking can be controlled. For example, electronic devices. Patient Neeraj, he believes that there is a chip being inserted by the police and they are controlling him. ठीक है, he would relate कि there was a someone came, they touched my forehead, I was sleeping, or then someone was around and he put the chip, but he won't be able to give the fully explanation कि how is there any stitches mark, वो surgery was done or not, but he is fully on that कि there is a chip inside my mind and police is controlling me. Thought insertion. Thoughts have been placed there from outside. बाहर से कोई विचार डाल रहा है मेरे अंदर. थॉट विड्रॉल, जो मेरे दिमाग में विचार बनते हैं, जो नॉर्मल थिंकिंग का प्रोसेस है, आप कोई भी काम करते हैं तो देयर आर थॉट्स कि मुझे उस चेयर पे बैठना है, तो पहले मैंने चेयर देखी, फिर मेरे को क्यों बैठना है, जैसे मेरे पैरों में दर्द हो रहा है तो मुझे उस चेयर पे बैठना है, ठीक है, फिर मैं उस चेयर पे जाके फिर मैं देखूंगा वो चेयर खाली है तो मैं जाके बैठ गया, ये नॉर्मल थिंकिंग है, ठीक है। अब इस थिंकिंग के जो थॉट्स है बीच के, वो एकदम से निकल जाए कोई, ठीक है, मुझे बैठना है लेकिन क्यों बैठना है, मुझे उसके आगे का खत्म पता ही नहीं है, दैट इज थॉट। एकदम से आई थिंकिंग, थॉट तो आया बट थॉट निकल गया, एकदम से गायब हो गया दिमाग से। थॉट ब्रॉडकास्टिंग, थॉट्स लीविंग द पेशेंट एंड बीइंग डिफ्यूज्ड वाइडली व्हिच इज आउट ऑफ द कंट्रोल ऑफ द पेशेंट। मेरे बारे में सबको पता चल जाता है, मैं कुछ भी सोचता हूं, ठीक है, मेरे बारे में मैं कुछ भी करने जाता हूं, सबको पहले पता होता है मैं क्या करूंगा, मेरे बारे में टीवी पे कुछ भी आएगा, मैंने ये बोला था, देखो ये पता चल गया सबको, ये विचार के बारे में सबको पता चल जाता है टीवी से, न्यूज़पेपर से, और जनरली वैसे भी लग सकता है कि उनको पता चल रहा है मेरे विचारों के बारे में। Delusion of infestation, also known as egg bomb syndrome. The patient believes that he is infested with small and macroscopic organisms seen in hypochondriasis, persistent delusion disorder, organic brain syndrome. मरीज को लगेगा उसके शरीर पर कीड़े कुछ चल रहे हैं, जब आप बोलोगे दिखाओगे, he would pick his and put his in hand and would show also or put on the table कि ये रे देखो, but there would be nothing on the table. Sometimes there would be he would pluck his hair also and would call it कि ये कीड़े चल रहे देखो, but वहां पे कुछ होगा नहीं. These patients usually initially present to the skin or derma OPD, as initially they believe कि there is any skin issues due to which there is the crawls of insects are present or ants. Shared delusions or induced delusions, known as communicated insanity or Folliediox. Delusions are communicated from psychiatrically individuals, the primary patient, to another individual, the person who accepts them as truth. Generally जो shared delusion, induced delusions होंगे, वो जो आसपास उसके आदमी के साथ में रह रहे होंगे या बहुत ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, उनमें जनरली होते हैं. समटाइम्स इट्स सीन कि कोई फैमिली इलनेस या फिर कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है कि उनको प्रेजेंट हो, जो जेनेटिकली भी प्रेजेंट हो, तो उनमें बहुत तेजी से शेयर डिल्यूजन शेयर होंगे अगर जेनेटिकली प्रीडिस्पोज्ड इंडिविजुअल है तो. The two persons are usually closely associated or related, especially the husband, wife, siblings or parent child, or usually live in social isolation. Religious delusions, the patient is preoccupied with false beliefs of religious nature. Sometimes they exist within the context of conventional religious system. The ideas of about nirvana. The patient believes कि मैं ही अमर हूँ, मैं हूँ जो हूँ. He thoughts कि I have achieved the greatest life form, which usually the religious text depict about the things कि मैंने वो चीज कर ली, जैसे भगवान को पा लिया है. तो he would have delusions कि हाँ मेरे पास है वो चीजें जो मैं भगवान को पा सकता हूँ. या फिर मैं मरता हूँ फिर जन्म लेता हूँ, जबकि वो, क्योंकि हमारे रिलीजियस टेक्स्ट में थ्योरीज भी है कि यू वुड बी गोइंग टू 18 समथिंग लाइक 84 समथिंग, कि हम बार बार जन्म लेते हैं. तो ही वुड से कि मैं हर बार मनुष्य का जन्म लेता रहता हूँ, मैं मरता हूँ फिर जन्म ले लेता हूँ. आई एम द सेम पर्सन हु एग्जिस्ट फॉर thousands or any years, he could say, or could be even relate to a powerful person. Somatic delusions. The central theme of delusions are of hypochondrial or somatic nature, sometimes referred to as monosymptomatic hypochondriasis or psychosis. Somatic delusions are usually classified under following: delusions involving the skin, delusional parasitosis, we have discussed it, delusion of ugliness or mishappiness, dysmorphic delusions, the patient would look into the mirror and say कि मेरा शक्ल खराब हो रही है, बदल रही है, बहुत बेकार दिख रही है, मैं ऐसी दिखती थी अब दिखने लग गई हूँ. delusions of body odor और halitosis, उसको लगेगा कि मेरे अंदर से कोई स्मेल आ रही है, अजीब सी स्मेल आ रही है, या फिर उसको बहुत अजीब सी स्मेल होगी जहाँ की वहां कोई प्रेजेंट नहीं होगी, चाहे आप परफ्यूम लगा के भी चले होंगे तब भी she would feel कि there is a smell coming from his or her body continuously. Thank you.